If you are looking for a man born in certain eras, draft registration cards are close to a census of the male population, and they are far more detailed than most people expect. World War I registration covered men across a wide age range, and the cards record full name, home address, date and place of birth, occupation and employer, employer's address, physical description, and the name and address of a nearest relative. That nearest relative field is often the key that opens a family. The World War II so-called old man's registration covered men well past military age, which makes it useful for locating an older generation that appears in few other records. These cards are indexed and searchable through the National Archives and major genealogy platforms. Because they capture a specific address and employer on a specific date, they anchor a timeline precisely, which is exactly what a stalled search usually lacks. Our research team uses them as fixed points when building a trail forward to living relatives. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.